Welcome back to the Dr. Haidari Beauty channel. Today we're talking about mesotherapy with epidermal growth factor or EGF. It's a cosmetic treatment that makes your skin healthier. In this procedure we inject EGF into the skin's middle layer. EGF is a protein that helps cells grow and stay healthy, especially for your skin and hair. Mesotherapy is a simple and not too invasive way to give your skin a boost. This treatment is commonly used to make your skin look fresher and younger. It does this by boosting the production of collagen and elastin, which are important for skin firmness. EGF, known for its anti-aging effects, helps lessen fine lines, wrinkles and scars, making your skin appear more youthful. EGF makes the skin more hydrated and radiant, giving it a healthier and glowing look. It's used to treat skin issues like dryness and uneven skin tone. By delivering it precisely, it targets specific areas for personalized and effective improvement. It's a quick and easy option with little recovery time, making it a convenient choice compared to more invasive procedures. But be sure to talk to a qualified doctor or skin specialist before trying any cosmetic treatment. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more beauty tips. See you next time on Dr. Haidari Beauty channel.